Would you like to hit the $1 million mark? Would you like to start from zero and establish a 7-figure stock portfolio? Don't have much money to begin with, yet you desire the freedom and flexibility that $1 million may provide? Then you must view our video for today. Hi, welcome to Stock Market Mate. Today we'll be teaching you how to build $1 million stock portfolio starting with just $0. Before we dig into today's content, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Help us spread the word and expand our channel if you find our videos helpful. The millionaire next door. $1 million is still a lot of money, even though it doesn't go as far as it once did. Your mind may conjure up glamorous ideas when you think about millionaire. That's probably not grounded in reality then. In reality, many first-generation millionaires lead rather normal lives. Many people with a 7-figure net worth live in modest homes and drive conventional cars, according to Thomas Stanley's book, The Millionaire Next Door, which is a thorough compilation of research on real-life billionaires. This is so they don't waste their hard-earned riches and options which they obtained via hard effort. They've become accustomed to being frugal, saving money, making investments, and prioritizing time over money. These behaviors don't just go. The information we're going to give you today will similarly focus on the principles you need to understand in order to create enormous amounts of wealth from scratch. We began at a loss, but we are now well into the 6 figures and headed into the 7 figures. We currently have enough passive dividend income from our 6-figure stock portfolio to support our lifestyle, and it will only continue to increase. We're going to provide you with some tips that can help you go from having nothing to having $1 million. The secrets to $1 million stock portfolio. Secret number 1. Be a great saver. We want to let you in on our first secret. Because it's the biggest and most significant, it comes first. The first is that, more than being a great investor, being a great saver will be necessary for you to establish a 7-figure stock portfolio. Yes, that is correct. More than anything else, you must have excellent saving habits. The saying, "you have to spend money to make money," is accurate. Capital is the first step, followed by investments made with that capital. Stocks, in our opinion, are the finest long-term asset class for the typical investor to use. Over the long term, stocks will probably perform well for you. About 10% is the average long-term yearly rate of return on the stock market. That's before taking inflation into account. 10 every year is amazing. Although this outperforms the majority of other asset types, it won't suddenly make you wealthy. The second secret will be utilized by you if you invest in stocks. Secret number 2. Compounding. Compounding is the key. When interest is earned on top of interest, this is what happens. It's where new money is made with old money. It's almost as if money can reproduce itself. More duplication equals more money. Money is always at work. It never gets hungry or worn out. Simply said, it is more intelligent and productive than any human. Additionally, you want your money to grow for you, but you need snowflakes to create your compounding snowball. Zero money compounded at a rate of 10% a year remains $0. Anything multiplied by 0 will result in a 0. Savings in your capital come into play here. The more money you can grow by about 10% annually, the more wealth you'll have in the long run. Therefore, it is essential that you conserve money. It's crucial that you compound those funds after that. Don't worry if you're young and starting out with nothing. A 7-figure portfolio is achievable. And as we'll demonstrate, it's not that hard and won't take you your entire life to complete. Secret number 3. Frugality. Let's say you're 25 years old, making $50,000 a year, and you're beginning from scratch. These are acceptable assumptions regardless of whether you are in a better or worse position, and we believe that many Americans in their mid-20s can earn $50,000 annually. If you're motivated, it is not that difficult. After that, you should place yourself in a position to set aside 50% of that income. You're setting yourself up for enormous financial success in life if you can manage to save half of your income. Frugality is the third secret. The majority of self-made millionaires are thrifty by nature, as we have mentioned. They are aware of the worth of money and make financial decisions seriously. Additionally, it becomes simple to practice modest living if you know that money's actual power lies in its capacity to grant freedom. Secret number 4. Dividend growth investing. With a $5,000 annual income and a 50% savings rate, you're investing around $2,000 a month. Where do you put this money though? Well, while discussing stocks, there are many different ways to go about it. You can invest money in a straightforward, inexpensive S&P 500 fund, which isn't at all a poor course of action. Personally, we put our money into dividend growth stocks that are of the highest caliber. The fourth secret is investing in dividend growth stocks. We're able to achieve financial independence at such an early age by using this investing technique. This method promotes purchasing and holding stock in prestigious companies that offer dependable and increasing cash dividends. The golden geese that laid gold eggs. It resembles the golden geese that lay golden eggs in many ways. Consider a flock of golden geese that continues to produce additional golden eggs. You claim an ever-growing collection of golden eggs without causing any harm to the golden geese. Keep the geese plump and content while subsisting only on the abundant eggs that are laying. The eggs represent the increasing dividends that these stocks are paying, and the geese are dividend growth stocks. You may eventually live off of dividends while keeping the stocks intact if you create a portfolio of high-quality dividend growth equities that generate growing dividends. However, many investors who utilize index funds eventually need to start selling off their shares in order to make money to live on, which is analogous to progressively butchering a flock of geese. The difference is that you'll receive considerably more generous yields from numerous high-quality dividend growth equities than you would from the S&P 500. Currently, the yield on the S&P 500 is around 2%, but there are several high-quality dividend growth stocks that have yields between 3% and 5%. That is significantly more money. It shouldn't come as a surprise that many high-quality dividend growth stocks beat the general market over the long term, given that we know that a large portion of the total return from the stock market over the long term comes from dividend reinvested. Some examples of high-quality dividend growth equities are Johnson & Johnson or J&J, AT&T or T, and PepsiCo Incorporated or PEP. However, let's assume for the sake of argument that you're just replicating the market's annual rate of return. That amounts to 10%. In approximately 17 years, $2,000 per month compounded at a rate of 10% per year would become $1.07 million. Starting from scratch and assuming no salary rises or gains in savings and investments, that is, just a flat monthly payment of $2,000. At age 42, this person, who had nothing when they were about 25 years old, is a billionaire. They're only achieving market-like returns. There is absolutely no outperformance. It's very amazing. However, the secret to this strategy lies less in investment and more in lifestyle, financial, and savings decisions. It's important to plan your lifestyle with the remainder of your life in mind. You must think and behave like the millionaire Stanley writes about. Instead of just appearing wealthy, actually be one. Compare this outcome to someone who is simply saving $500 a month, which is still a huge accomplishment for many Americans who prefer to spend their money. Over a 17-year period, $500 a month compounded at a rate of 10% per year yields in only $267,600. Don't forget either how important compounding is in this situation. Over the course of 17 years, you would have slightly about $464,000 if we invested $2,000 per month in a certificate of deposit earning 1.5%. Due to the lack of compounding, that is less than half. You were having trouble with it. Instead, you're virtually entirely reliant on your savings. You reach the 7-figure threshold by combining savings and compounding. By the way, if this 42-year-old had invested his $1 million portfolio in a group of dividend growth equities paying 4%, it would currently be producing about $48,000 per year in dividends. Even after taking into account the tax advantages of dividends, $40,000 a year is sufficient to support one person in the United States and isn't exactly a glamorous lifestyle. This might be a wonderful source of income, worth up to $40,000 annually and exempt from taxes. For the majority of individuals to be financially independent, it is undoubtedly enough. These golden geese are still producing more and more golden eggs in the meantime. The snowball should double approximately every 7 years if it is compounded at a rate of 10% annually. So before this person hits 50, they could have a $2 million portfolio that generates $80,000 in dividend income annually. You must therefore carefully consider being frugal, saving money, making investments, and compounding. And you must act as soon as you can. Compounding is more potent and produces spectacular outcomes more quickly the earlier in life you may begin. Many thanks for viewing. We sincerely hope you liked today's video. Please like it if you did. To ensure that you don't miss out on new content, be sure to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell. For further details and important links, make sure to read the description box below. We'll see you again soon. If you enjoyed this video, you're going to want to watch one of these two videos right here. Enjoy!